So Wavelength just gave you the option to plug in four 4K resolution monitors into your computer without having to buy one of those fancy, expensive GPU cards. I tell you, they did it. This is crazy. This is that Wavelengths Quad 4K 60 Hertz universal display adapter. And not only is that an adapter, right? That's the 85 watts upstream charging. This is crazy. It's gonna charge your host device and it's gonna pump out these four monitors. For 4K resolution monitors. This is crazy. I've been around the bush with some docking stations, with some hubs. You know what I mean? And I've had some that had multiple monitor outputs, but never the 4K resolution. Never with one USB-C port. This is crazy. This is futuristic. This is advanced. I've never seen anything like this. And that's all I had to do was plug it in, plug in my monitors, and it ran smooth. It didn't run up my GPU. It didn't run up my computer memory. It didn't run up my computer RAM, ROD. It didn't do none of that. It just ran smooth. It did what I needed to do. I opened up my applications. I typed up some documents in Word. I was playing with some presentations in PowerPoint. I was, playing with some cells in Excel, and I was just excelling. This is great. I was able to flip around, turn my monitor on, chat with my homies, and do it all at one station. This is great, I tell you. And not only that, not only plugging in these four HDMI things and this Wavelength thing, I was like, well, that still leaves this HDMI over here open since I'm only plugged in on one thing. So I plugged in another monitor. I got 5 monitors going. This is crazy. And then I went ahead, I logged in to my display settings, and I was able to change the resolution. I was able to change the position, the landscape of my one over here, and I was able to place them where I needed them to be, so when I moved my mouse around and moved applications around, it was in the right spot. This thing was great. I don't know. I'm gonna get a few more of these because I can use this for work. I can use this for video editing. I can use this for my video game setup. I can use this for so many things when I don't need to get an extra GPU. So that's also the great thing. If your GPU's pushing out 5 monitors right now and you want to add 4 more, this is gonna be the way to go. This is crazy. The possibilities are endless.